In 2024, we unveiled the world's first 3D spatial technology, powered by SLAM and Gaussian splatting, recreating over 180 million square meters of reality, breathing life into imagination.
And action.
Preserving nature. Driving efficiency to new peaks. Reviving history with vivid detail. Today, Lixel CyberColor LCC pushes boundaries even further. How wide? Limitless. How vast? Boundless. Every angle, a new perspective. The entire world at a glance. Crystal clear details reveal every thread, every grain. LCC takes you anywhere. Step through, see the world anew. LCC is your canvas. Three-dimensional, responsive, alive. LCC opens a world that connects creators and developers with seamless plugins and flexible SDKs. Your creativity knows no bounds and paints a digital future beyond the imagination. Create once, experience everywhere. 3D is accessible like never before. Take this journey with LCC, where physical and digital live as one.
That's one small step for man.
Explore the cosmos. Venture into uncharted territory. When real and virtual blend, mind becomes matter. Space itself pulses with newfound vitality. Step beyond reality. Dive into infinity.